Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting and budget-friendly electric vehicles on the market, the 2025 Dacia Spring. If you have ever wanted to own an electric car but thought it was too expensive, this little gem is here to prove you wrong. Let's get into it! The Dacia Spring is rewriting the rules of affordable electric mobility. Starting at just £14,995, it is currently the most budget-friendly electric vehicle available. It offers an easy entry point into electric driving without cutting corners on the essentials. Imagine cruising through the city in a zero-emissions car, knowing you have made an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. Now, let's talk about what makes the Spring stand out. It is powered by a 27 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering an official range of 140 miles per charge. While it is not designed for long road trips, it is perfect for daily commutes, school runs, and weekend errands. Inside, the Dacia Spring is simple but practical. Even the base model includes air conditioning, cruise control, and rear parking sensors for a comfortable and stress-free drive. If you upgrade to the Extreme trim, you get a 10-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected at all times. Charging is also quick and convenient. Using a 7 kilowatt AC charger, you can fully recharge the battery in about 3 hours and 50 minutes. Need a faster option? Direct current fast charging takes you from 20% to 80% in just 45 minutes. When it comes to performance, the Spring offers two power options, 45 horsepower or 65 horsepower. While it is not the fastest car on the road, it is agile and easy to handle, perfect for navigating busy city streets. Safety is always important, and while the Spring has received some criticism in this area, it still includes essential driver assistance systems to keep you and your passengers safe. Plus, its compact size makes parking in tight spaces a breeze. Now let's talk practicality. The Spring offers a 308-liter boot, which is more than some of its competitors, including the Vauxhall Corsa Electric. You also get an optional 35-liter frunk under the bonnet, perfect for storing charging cables or small bags. So, is the Dacia Spring the right car for you? If you want an affordable, eco-friendly, and practical electric vehicle for everyday use, the answer is yes. It may not have all the premium features of high-end models, but it delivers efficiency, charm, and unbeatable value. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy driving! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.